Powered by Plascon, today's handy heroes come from Build It, Bethlehem in the Free State.
Our store in Bethlehem opened up in 2005, and then in 2007 we joined the Build It group. To make me proud of the store and the service, it comes to our yes we can attitude that we have, and friendliness of the staff and the service. What make us the best hardware store in Bethlehem, it's definitely our service. I always tell my personnel when we have meetings, sell service, the service will sell the product. The best store to buy Plascon is definitely Build It Bethlehem. The reason for that is we very well priced on our Plascon products. I like the way that Plascon is reclaiming the market space, and it's a very good product. I can just say Plascon, that's the only one to go for. My favorite Plascon product, I must say, will be the Polven range. You get good coverage, and it's also the quality is good and it's well priced. My DIY tip, sounds simple, but don't rush your paint job. That's it, don't rush it. Build It Bethlehem, yes we can.
Today's handy heroes is powered by Plascon, wall and all. Unmatched dirt, stain, water and fade resistance to keep your walls beautiful for years. Plascon, together we've got this.